Well, I give up. I just give up. You know, the sticks worked on the rest of the garden, but it just doesn't work on the peas. I mean, I've got tobacco, I've got leek flowers, leeks, tomatoes. Hey, see, tomatoes. I've got borage. One year, the chickens ate all my borage. They didn't even touch it this year. Anyway, lots of tomatoes, Brussels sprouts, squash, more tomatoes. See, it worked on the celery. I've got some garlic bulbils growing in there. But yeah, the sticks work. Lots of stuff, lots of food. It works. The corn. How about that? But anyway, they can have the peas. Chickens are a lot of fun. I got another method I want to try, so another stick setup. Yeah, same method, different setup. But anyway, you all have a really good day, and don't let your chickens into the peas. Once they taste them, that's it. It's over. Bye-bye.